So this is my setup for part A of the lab, and we just connected the SDA and SCL on the ADS breadboard part to the corresponding ports on the Arduino, and then the VDD port on the ADS is connected to the 5-volt power source, and ground is connected to ground on the Arduino. And then you can see here with my code, you can see that it successfully uploaded. In A0 and A1 ports is where the thermocouple wires would go, but I don't have that in the video because I borrowed it from someone and had to return it. But those are the corresponding ports that those would go into. So here's my setup for part B of the lab. Again, I have the SDA and SCL ports on the Arduino corresponding here to the ADS. And then I have the VDD connected to the positive, ground connected to the negative, the ADDR to the negative, and the A0 to the positive. And then here I have A1 connecting to the resistor, which is 10 kiloohms, which then connects the 10 kiloohm thermistor. And one leg is connected to the resistor and the other leg is connected to the negative port. And then I have the 5-volt charge and the ground on the Arduino connecting to the corresponding negative and positive ports on the breadboard. And here is the code that I used to run part of the experiment. So for measurements in this lab, I didn't have access to a solder, so I just wrapped the thermistor wires around these two jumper cables and then taped them with electrical tape for reinforcements.